All of the broadleaf forests in interior Alaska are composed of just 3 tree species: birch, aspen, and poplar. Birch, aspen, and poplar look similar, but birch has white, peeling bark and pointed leaves with teeth on the margins. Aspen has light grayish-green bark and more rounded leaves that flutter in the slightest breeze. Poplar has bark like aspen on young stems, but it becomes furrowed with age. Its leaves are pointed. These trees all have light-colored bark that keeps them from getting too warm on sunny spring days, when freezing and thawing cause sun-scald injury. Aspen and poplar have tiny seeds with a cotton-like tuft that helps them blow far in the wind. Birch has small winged seeds that fall in the winter. These seeds are the favorite winter food of redpolls. In Alaska, birch trees form hybrids with birch shrubs. Aspens and poplars spread by roots to form stands of genetically identical trees called clones. All the trees in a clone change color together in the fall. Poplars are the northernmost trees in Alaska. They form groves along rivers through treeless tundra. The twigs, bark, and leaves of birch, aspen, and poplar are food sources for animals such as hares and moose. All 3 tree species resprout and grow quickly after fires. Birch, aspen, and poplar are usually replaced over time by more long-lived and shade-tolerant spruce. Birch, aspen, and poplar add beauty and diversity to the boreal forest landscape.